Hey, what's up here to welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to play with Rishikesh Free Fire creative mode. Okay guys, so let's begin. And now even Rishikesh also is going to talk now. Yeah, hello Rishi.
No.
Yeah, we'll start now.
Uh,
Okay. Creative mode, unlimited match no. It'll come.
yeah, yeah. If we both should win, then they should subscribe. No problem.
Yeah. It's unlimited, huh? Yeah, it's unlimited, bro.
Yeah. Guys, so until they got global, then grenade party.
Wait, one thing you
So
do. Give
guys,
me give me cover,
four
okay?
v
I
four,
didn't take any
but
guns.
four v four,
That
four.
only 4v4, 4v4. Put a global, bro. Yeah, good one.
Yeah. We should do start grenade party.
Do you only do grenade party? I don't have any. I'm going to kill him, bro. Yeah, one knock, one knock. One more, where is it? Acha, over there.
Okay,
Bro, one knock I
okay.
did, bro. Why, Skylar is having
What?
a. Hey, what is it doing? Super.
Why one knockout?
You did,
Knockout.
This guy we should kill. This guy we should kill.
Oh, in this teleport another is having.
Where, bro?
Why Michael?
No, Michael. Oh, I fully covered off. Oh, so
Why
who
my
killed?
dog? I took.
You only took off. I got one kill only. That's it.
There is one more enemy should be nowhere.
That only don't.
Yeah, I saw.
Hey, wait. Somebody gave me glue. Thank you, bro. Hey, here enemy is missing. That fellow is going that side.
Oh, you got teleported.
Bro, one tap, bro. One tap he gave her.
Problem, ah.
The daughter. One tap he gave his pro.
Rare, rare.
Here, no, can't see. Kill, bro. A grenade. Grenade will put Wayne in this. Yes. Oh, he killed off. Galat happened. Kill, bro. Come on. Bro, I think this is only pro player in that team. Dead, bro. Uh,
What?
one tap.
Guys, after this, then I also upload in my channel also, guys.
Okay. You let's upload. You're recording, hello.
Hello, I can hear.
You're recording,
No. Because recording.
Then you're saying you'll upload with same video.
I don't have no follow.
Same even me also. And your voice is lagging,
I
bro.
have only 55. I will
Why? Give
put
me
yes.
cover, I'll die otherwise. Why? I don't have glow. Go hide. Hide also bad guy. He's not giving me cover also. That's why you should take glow all, bro, always. Because of him, I also died. Shoot, bro. Dead. Che. Emote,
I don't do immortal. I also do back immortal.
he'll not do live.
I don't do immortal. I don't do immortal. Okay. Guys, Adi is 700 become less than because he came back to new account. Yes, okay.
Yeah.
He got all the rest.
Yeah. My Shayan ID, I'm not playing with that. I'm playing with another ID, guys. So only my name is not written here, Shayan3010.
Comment, guys. Okay, which character you all are going to redeem, guys. I
Yes,
am
why?
planning to redeem Skyler.
Even me also same. Skylar, otherwise Wukong. Anyone. You also, guys,
Yeah.
everybody comment which character you are
Then
redeeming.
you can take how many what other characters you want to get. Then I'll take first I need guys. Then I'll take Wukong.
Yeah, in creative mode it will help so much. Whoever will give damage now. We
Yeah,
putting
guys.
glow all.
Now people's no need legion up, guys. Now people are not using legion up.
Yeah.
Now people all need like Skylar and Wukong because in Skylar how much our global should go that much increasing our health will come.
And even we can break also glow alls.
Yeah.
Now
No,
I can.
recorder is on only now.
What?
Recorder is on now.
Yeah, it's on only. Hey, I am checking over here only. Full record, everything is on only, bro. I even got fever, that's why.
Only 5 HP only.
Who's
That will
how you?
damage.
5 damage only it is coming from log. Now we are shooting so only. And now it's coming 13. At least 13 is coming. This is only transport, bro. This is only transport. Wait, open the way. Let's break, bro. Oh, I only killed. Show off,
I
bro.
put emote.
Put. Hey, first come for helping me. Order. I'll die of here, bro. Hey, come, bro, for help. Two members. What are doing there? One knock. Super. I thought you didn't kill only. I was hiding.
I don't like this spark. Spark that I do.
Spark. Spas.
Spark
Spas.
or spark.
Spas 12. No.
Guys, in creative mode, no guys. It's more lag in conversation.
Yeah, in 6v6 it lag.
And all will happen.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, guys, so I should follow Adi as well. He is very fast away.
Che. I'm putting glue and I'm going. That's it. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going.
Bye.
Why this one also enemies are? Oh, kick off now. I'm having K character.
Oi, come, revive everyone.
Wait,
Go fast today, oi.
wait, where?
I won't revive you.
Yeah, I don't know only where he was. Wait, only one. I was trying to do horizontal line, but I didn't do it. Come on. Why am I not putting glow? I'll be skipping guys like this whenever that new round will start. Little bit long video it should not happen, no. That only come for help, no. Monster was. Hey, they are not half on it. Hey,
You want that? Resume that.
yeah. Hey, they're having Skylar. This was the only problem. Hey, from back side also they'll kill her. From front also they'll kill her. What we should do? Hey, grenade also are putting her. Kill bro, super. Bravo. One more. Hey, foot backside. Yeah.
Oi.
They're even using double vector also. We'll also use that.
Double vector. Okay. Oi. Take a spider. I'm putting emote, no emote.
Yes, sir. Wait, I'll see. Wait, I'll see you. Where man he's putting her?
Yeah, he just last that.
Wait, 1v2. Aye.
Guys, you're not supporting us. Only like guiding us.
That only. We didn't even complete 500 subscribers, guys.
Like for power recovery.
Why I took grenade
I
simply?
take them for light or that.
Take you take off grenade.
I took grenade.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, I will teleport, bro. I teleport myself.
Go teleport. Hey, I am using double vector. Okay, na? Hello.
I am on online. Huh?
That only I'll use. Hey, I'm not playing only. What is this from back, from front, everywhere they'll kill off. Then what we should play? Oh no, David.
Why? Eating.
From every side they'll kill. Then what we should do?
Why from that sky a double vector they also took. Next time I also take.
Take. I won't
You're
take.
knocked out. What happened, bro? Horizon online you don't have. It was having your survival.
No, horizon line. Money only they'll not give. No, now they'll give 500 rupees.
Why not? No, this can giving nice guys. Oh, you're surviving you.
Yeah, they killed off the fully. That day. Safe. From three sides.
All came with all have double vector. This PG. Yeah.
Yeah, guys. We can't win, I guess. No chance, really. They're shooting from every side, bro. Then what we should do?
Planning.
Planning. What planning we should do? Monster died. Leave that fellow that only one. Hey, I don't teleport. Huh? Teleport, teleport. Bro, back of him, I'm shooting. He's thinking, hey, from where is he shooting? Full damage he was. Throw that full. Why now? What happened? 2v3, bro. We can win now. What happened, bro? You also. Hey, bro, double vector. Hey, go, bro, shoot, bro. Double vector versus double vector. Died.
What?
Kachara.
So, what meeting are couple doctor gameplay water?
Guys, content will keep like.
Tyler, if he come in front of me, no, bro, that fellow gentle.
Go come bro with me. I'll die otherwise. Double vector. I'm not playing only. Go get lost.
Hey, don't go like that.
Skylar, he's putting Skylar, bro. Even his ward is shooting with double vector. Everything only would have to come.
Why?
We'll cut away.
Bro, we both should plan and go, bro.
What to do? What to do? What to do? No plan only. First two rounds, how we won, bro. Nicely we played.
First, two runs and only not easy. Or system mode.
They thought that we'll not play nicely, we'll say that we will die off.
We will exit after some what they're doing on double vector road.
Leave, bro, leave.
Start and go on.
Global party now.
You suicide yourself today. Suicide, you can't lose all the free.
Suicide.
Alright. Hey, that Skyler, we need, bro. That Skyler.
Skylar first only will kill off. Do, bro, planning, bro, planning time. Which gun to take? I'll take out this. Not only money, only they get 1,700. What will take?
Hey, anybody buy for people? No,
Hey, we'll be hiding over here. Can shoot this one. How can we shoot, bro? Shoot button only is coming, but red color is
Oh,
coming.
yeah, Skylar is coming. Skylar is
Yeah, I disappeared of this teleport only. Shoot, bro, from back only full. Shoot off. Hey, waste only, bro. He'll be putting glow all
which gun are they?
Tatti gun. What is this name? Kingfisher, yeah.
Why?
I won't help you, bro. Kill, bro. Start. Oh, super. Dead. Dead, bro. Skylar. Oh, internet connection only is my dirty. That's my only problem, everything. Bro, Skylar we killed. Now we both only, bro, are there. Loot off. I'm giving you cover. I'm rushing. You'll also come. Hey, bro, full damage, bro. One headshot also I put 81. I am bad guy. Full pot of glue all on it. Hey, wait, one plan we could do. Like this, sir. Like this, sir.
Wait, I'm coming.
Wait, bro, we'll close off fully. What? Acha, you already removed also. Simply amazing.
Oh, sorry, dude. I don't put my dog.
Hey, kill bro, fully. Yeah, don't let them to know anything. Yes, guys, we won. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, you subscribe and like
Yeah,
and
guys,
then
subscribe for this round, guys. Very interesting round.
started. Gameplay started and now they
Yeah.
are going to die.
Hey, bro, we cannot say like that, no? Okay, guys. So, we're ready for the match. Bro, your net is lagging. Your voice is. Wait, let them come, bro. Wait, one flash freeze. I'll put off this face. Wait, both of us, let's rush, bro. Super
Why
buddy.
not go?
Wait,
I
from
don't
back.
think.
Wait, I knew, bro. He'll put that only Skylar.
Skyler, I am.
Okay, then do go. Heh, what is overacting so much?
Hey, that fellow 1v2
Hey,
is
bro, come, bro.
over.
Let's rush, bro. Let's rush, bro, on him. On his face only will rush. Come on. He's running, bro, back. He's getting
Hey, grenade
scared.
party or do
Hey, no. Leave the papa, the papa. Chhi. Your wish you want to do is no. No, papa, nothing. I'll say. Where is shooting in my face? I don't have horizontal line also, but still I'm rushing. Something. Kambro will rush. He's back of this coconut tree. Wait, inside zone only I went off. Double AWM he took. Amit why Ajju why want to be. Full damage,
He's
bro. Full
Skyler
damage.
boy. Oi.
Skylar is having no waste only to success. Wait, I'll put off a medikit. Bro, put the medikit. Don't rush. Otherwise, he'll, AWM is having. One also it'll hit off miss you. Dead or. Where, bro, he went? Uyo. Ah, yes, bro.
I put emote.
Emote put, bro. He's seeing me. Bro. Baby shark do
Oh,
do
I
do do
forgot to
baby
take
shark.
horizontal.
Even I also didn't take, but now we both should be together. Others gone. Think. Bro, full damage, bro. That red glow all backside. And who is that? No, that's full of full damage. Kill, bro. This guy. No, bro. Come, bro. We'll rush off on this red glow all.
Come.
That white glow all is there. Oh, yeah, that white glow all is there, bro. We cannot rush. Oh, yeah, first on whom will rush, bro? You only say.
Hey, come to red color, bro. Red color.
Hey, but that fellow also is coming. No, he'll come for support. Means both. We should make, however, them both a different. Hey, wait, this fellow. Hey, wait. Oh, this fellow full damage.
Oh, M500.
M500 headshot.
Back. I don't know. Oh, M500 one tap.
Guys, this is very big cheating done by Garena. What is it? 200 rupees they gave. How can we play in this?
Waste. Garena.
Hey, now we can't play only, bro. Think that we are gone only. Nothing we can do.
Good one. Then we after that how we start again.
You buy glue, Allah, I'll buy this grenade.
I buy grenade.
Bro, no, nothing we can do. We don't have anything. Match is in the full their hands only. 100% in their hands. Nothing we have. Wait, that is my glue, Allah. That is my grenade. I thought, yours. Bro, no, nothing we can do, bro. Hey, this is cheating, bro. Full from Garena.
Oi.
Finally,
Put on a grenade. Put on a grenade.
I I became eliminated in my kilo. Grenade only. Leave, bro, no problem. At least we tried to come this much round, but Karina did cheating with us. Otherwise, we could win easily.
You
Uh,
upload and come then you'll play 15.
yeah, okay. So, okay, guys, meet you in the next video. Thanks for
You put
watching
for
and bye, guys.
uploading
I
it.
hope you like this video, guys. So, meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye, guys.